Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is listening to life. The world is always speaking to you. Spirit is always speaking to you. Are you listening? Are you looking at the symbolisms, the deja vus, the synchronicities? I am attentive to the world that is around me. Are you? Signs and symbols guide me to my success. Have you been seeing deja vu? Have you been seeing synchronicities? 111, 222, 333, 444. These numbers, these repeated numbers are the language of the universe. The language of spirit, as we have English, Spanish, French. The language of the universe is numerology, numbers. Learn the language. You can find out the gifts and the message the spirit's trying to let you know to excel. I listen and discover the way to eternal and to my higher self. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.